India is currently experiencing severe weather conditions, with heavy storms and hail reported across several regions. The harsh weather has led to property damage and disruptions in daily life. In the northern state of Punjab, residents have reported large hailstones raining down from the sky, causing damage to roofs and vehicles. The intensity of the hailstorm has left many people stunned and concerned for their safety. The western state of Gujarat has also been hit by the storm, with heavy rainfall causing flooding in many low-lying areas. Some roads have been closed due to waterlogging, causing inconvenience to commuters and motorists. In the central state of Madhya Pradesh, strong winds and hail have damaged electricity infrastructure, leading to power outages in several districts. Repair and maintenance teams have been deployed to restore normalcy. Hailstorms have also affected the neighboring state of Haryana, where farmers are bracing themselves for losses to their crops. The hailstones have battered the farmlands, causing significant damage to the crops of fruits and vegetables. Despite the severity of the weather, there have been no reports of fatalities. The government and local authorities have advised people to take necessary precautions and stay indoors, avoiding unnecessary travel during such adverse weather conditions.